Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to check out this PS5 portal right here. Now the reason why I pick up this portal is because sometimes I really don't have access to my TV at home and I just want to play my PlayStation even when I'm not sitting in front of my TV, or sometimes when I'm at home and my TV is occupied and I can't get to really pay my PS5. Now I pick up this portal right here and just test it out to play. I've been testing this quite a few weeks now to give you guys my honest review while using this right here. Now for this to work, you have to ensure that you have a Wi-Fi signal connected onto this right here. Now you can use your home Wi-Fi or you can use your mobile hotspot. Now for the best connectivity, ensure that you're using your Wi-Fi up to 50 megs, which is recommended while using this right here. Now all you have to do is go into settings and you can connect it via a Wi-Fi hotspot. However, during my testing I realized that this can only connect and store up to 2 Wi-Fi network at once. So if you want to connect like to a third Wi-Fi or which is stored into this right here, you might have to delete one of them to actually connect to a new hotspot. Now for this to actually work, you have to go in settings on your PS5 and turn on remote play for your profile. Also, my first hands on this right here, the screen is somehow bigger than what I expect. Otherwise from that, it feels really compatible to all. Now the screen resolution is right here is about 1080p, so it's not really greatest screen resolution, but this right here packs a punch. Now if you have a strong Wi-Fi signal, you won't have any issue while playing this right here. Alright guys, so what I've done is to take it outside right here. As you can see, I'm on the road right now and I'm testing out to see if the PSP portal can actually play while I'm on the go, while I'm outside, just away from my home. Just test it out and you can see that it did connected right there to my mobile hotspot. Now right here, with this connection, I'm getting around like 6 to less than 10 megabytes right here. As you can see in the interface, it's a bit laggy from my taste. And as you can see, I'm browsing right now the Play Store and you can see it's a bit laggy. I'm not getting so much of a good graphics right here on it, so I'm gonna test a few games and let you guys see how this actually works. So you can see right there my connection lost a few times, as you can see while playing right now. So you can see that it's a bit on and off, so ensure that your mobile hotspot is strong, which can actually run this thing right here, because you will get kicked out of when you're playing games. So I recommend that you're not gonna play like online games which like a fighting games, but in terms of you're playing like casual games like Grand Theft offline. So offline game will work quite fine if you're using this like on a mobile hotspot. I'm not sure about using it with the internet. I might have to test that, but right now I'm using my mobile hotspot and this is just the result right here. Connection loss, and let's see if it's gonna connect back. Alright, so connect back right now. So I'm gonna try and play a game right now. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try and play Grand Theft right there.
Out there.
You can see guys, it keep on put up the signal right here. That means the connection is on and off. So you can see somewhere right there, if I'm not playing, the graphics will clean up a bit, but once I'm playing like every graphics scene, it actually lags. I'm gonna try one more next game now, let you guys see. Let's see if I come out of this right here, and I'm gonna try our next game with the mobile hotspot right here. Let's say I'm gonna try this game right here. This game does not really take a much amount of graphics, so let's see. So as you can see guys, the game will play right here, but in terms of your internet connection, you have to have a strong internet. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to test my mobile internet right here. So that when I was getting like 7 megabytes, so let's see right here how many megabytes I'm getting. Wow, so I'm getting up to 15, 12, 11 right there with my mobile hotspot. I'm getting a lot right now, so I'm getting at least 18 megabytes, and you see right there, it sometimes can be a bit choppy in terms of when I'm playing on this right here. Let's test Mortal Kombat. So I'm testing it with my mobile hotspot to see if it's playable right here. And this is the most I have gotten from week. I was doing a both of tests on this to see if it actually works. So let's see, I'm gonna try right now. Try some towers. And this is basically like online version, so let's see if I can actually play a few try. And you can see right there, lost signal again. And let's see, test my internet connection again, because sometimes the signal may drop depending on what I'm doing. I'm still getting a lot amount of megabytes right there. $17. So you might have to face with some of the connection issue with this right here while using the mobile version of the hotspot. But the thing though, what I can say, when I was using this like inside the home when I'm playing, I have no issues at all playing the game. If I'm like near my PS5 inside the home, there's no real lag going on. It's actually instant playing right here. But if you're outside like this, you will face with the issue like when using mobile hotspot while playing this right here. That's what I'm getting. But I might have to do a test, as I said earlier, with the Wi-Fi to see if any difference. But just as my findings right here while using the game with the mobile hotspot. Now the next thing that I want to note about this PlayStation Portal right here is that if you're buying it for the sole purpose of traveling with it to play your games, I would say I will not recommend doing that. But if you're buying it because you want to play away from your setup, like in another rooms or on your bed, just somewhere away from your setup in the same house, it will actually playable. But if you're traveling somewhere like for a different city or different places, like to schools or somewhere like that, where the Wi-Fi signal is not strong, I would say the further you move away from it, the more data will be lost, which gonna be having some issue in terms of your connectivity while playing the game. So that's my views. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this PS5 Portal right here. Let me know if it's a good buy or if it is not, or if it's something that you would want. So hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.